Hello! Welcome to Makrich YouTube channel. There are lots of chocolates here and others to give, t-shirt, perfumes, medicines, lotions, food, soap, toothpaste, toothbrush. This is for the face. We will give this to our friends, family, cousins, titas, titos. Plenty of chocolates to give. Daddy is drinking some tea, sitting, relaxing, because the chocolates that she gives is super plenty. Makrich is doing some packing and she loves chocolate so much. Giving so much chocolates to others and friends. Hello, Daddy. Daddy's relaxing, drinking some tea. Tayo na. Let's go na.
Natuding na ay.
Oh, yan. Oh, delicious. Super delicious. Delicious. Super delicious cream. Super delicious.
Yes.
Delicious. Super delicious, Makrich. Which one is you like?
Why? You want it for your birthday?
This is
The delicious ice cream. Chocolate therapy.
super delicious. You want one? Sabi sa dati. You want?
Junior, so sweet eh.